Welcome to Tech Breakthroughs, where we explore the latest and most innovative futuristic gadgets that are set to revolutionize our daily lives. In today's fast-paced world, technology plays a crucial role in shaping how we live, work, and interact with the world around us. From smart homes to wearable tech, the possibilities are endless when it comes to integrating futuristic technology into our everyday routines. Get ready to be amazed as we dive into a world of cutting-edge inventions that will not only simplify tasks, but also enhance our overall quality of life. Join us on this exciting journey as we uncover groundbreaking gadgets that are sure to capture your imagination and leave you eager to embrace the future of technology. Revolutionary wearables. In today's tech-savvy world, wearable gadgets are taking center stage, offering a seamless integration of technology into our daily lives. From smart glasses that provide hands-free access to information, to health monitoring wearables that track our fitness levels and vital signs in real time, and even augmented reality contact lenses that blur the lines between the physical and digital worlds. The possibilities are truly endless. These innovative wearables not only enhance productivity by streamlining tasks and providing instant access to information, but also promote better health and overall well-being by empowering users to take control of their fitness and lifestyle choices. As we look towards the future, the potential impact of wearable technology on future generations is immense, paving the way for a more connected, efficient, and healthier society. Smart home innovations. Step into the future with a glimpse into the world of smart home innovations that are reshaping the way we live and interact with our living spaces. From AI-powered assistants that can control every aspect of your home with just a voice command, to automated cleaning robots that keep your space spotless without lifting a finger, and energy-efficient systems that help reduce your carbon footprint, the possibilities are endless. These cutting-edge devices not only streamline daily tasks and improve security, but also contribute to a more sustainable and convenient lifestyle. By integrating smart home technology into our homes, we can reduce energy consumption, lower utility bills, and create a more eco-friendly living environment. Get ready to experience the future of home living with these revolutionary gadgets that are set to transform traditional homes into smart, connected spaces. Transportation of tomorrow. Embark on a journey into the future of transportation with a look at the cutting-edge gadgets that are revolutionizing the way we travel and commute. From electric self-driving cars that offer a glimpse into a hands-free driving experience to Hyperloop systems that promise to transport passengers at unprecedented speeds and personal flying vehicles that redefine the concept of urban mobility, the possibilities are truly limitless. These innovative transportation technologies have the potential to reshape urban landscapes by reducing traffic congestion, lowering carbon emissions, and providing efficient and sustainable modes of travel. However, as we embrace these futuristic gadgets, we must also consider the challenges that come with their adoption, such as regulatory hurdles and infrastructure requirements. Join us as we explore the benefits and potential obstacles of integrating these groundbreaking transportation innovations into our daily lives. Health tech breakthroughs. Discover the future of healthcare with a glimpse into the world of futuristic health technologies that are poised to revolutionize medical diagnostics, treatments, and overall well-being. From nanotechnology-based health monitors that provide real-time insights into our bodies, to personalized medicine devices that tailor treatments to individual genetic profiles, and AI-assisted surgeries that enhance precision and outcomes, the advancements in health tech are truly groundbreaking. These breakthrough technologies have the potential to improve healthcare accessibility, accuracy, and patient outcomes by offering personalized and efficient solutions. However, as we embrace these cutting-edge gadgets, it is crucial to consider the ethical and societal implications of integrating advanced health tech solutions into our healthcare systems. Join us as we explore the exciting possibilities and challenges of incorporating these innovative health technologies into the future of medicine. Conclusion. As we come to the end of our exploration into the world of futuristic gadgets, it's clear that staying informed about groundbreaking inventions is key to enhancing our daily lives and shaping a better tomorrow. From smart wearables to advanced health technologies, And from smart home innovations to cutting-edge transportation solutions, the potential positive impact of adopting futuristic gadgets is immense. By embracing these innovative technologies, we can streamline tasks, improve efficiency, and create a more sustainable and connected world for future generations to enjoy. We encourage you to continue exploring and learning about the latest advancements in technology and to share this video with others to spread awareness about the exciting possibilities that lie ahead. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share to stay updated on the latest trends in innovative technologies. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the future.